Hello and welcome to another episode of Double J's List. Today I'm going to talk about my dealings with General Motors, specifically the Chevy brand, and what's going on with this recall where these cars do kind of burst into flames from time to time. It's not super common, but it's common enough to warrant a recall. And so I have some concerns. Luckily, mine's a 2020. And from what I understand, there's only been one fire on a 2020. A majority of the fires have been on 2019 models. They changed the place of manufacturer for the battery between 2019 and 2020. And it looks like it was sloppy manufacturing. So towards the end of the production run at the old factory, which was in Korea, made by the company LG, the LG finally built a plant here in the United States in Michigan with all new manufacturing equipment, so everything was nice and precise again, which wasn't causing the manufacturing defect. So with that said, I obviously am concerned about charging my car near my home. I never charge it inside anyways, but I do park it further away from the house, probably about 10 feet or so. So I basically contacted General Motors, and through their concierge, through something on Facebook or whatever, and they said that I can start the buyback process. And I said, well, I'm not sure if I want it bought back. They can't give me a window on when I'm going to get a new battery to replace this one to fix the recall. So I said, well, I'm willing to work with that. Well, what happens if they buy it back? Does it put money in my pocket? It's awful hard to get a car right now, so on and so forth. So basically, this person contacted me, and they said that, well, you can start the buyback process to find out what you could get and then change your mind to keep the car and wait for the repair. We still, again, don't have a time frame on the repair. So I said, sure, let's do that. And then I didn't hear from anyone for a few weeks. It was about a month, actually. And then I finally got a phone call with someone from GM again saying, so what decision did you make? And I said, I don't know. I said that I'm waiting to find out how much this is, if this is going to financially benefit me or not. And she said, oh, we got to start the buyback process. And you said you already did, and they hadn't. So we I just got an email again. We started it again, and it says somewhere between 8 and 10 weeks from now, I'll know what the process will be, and so we'll see. I had to pick a dealership. It wasn't one I normally work with because it has to be EV only. So again, we're going to see how this all pans out. I'm starting to kind of doubt that I'm going to be selling it back because I don't think they're going to offer me anything that's worth the hassle of getting another car. I might just have to wait it out. But again, we'll see what it is, and I'll keep you guys updated. Let me know what you think. If anyone's gone through this, please leave a comment. Let me know. And I'd love to hear from everybody. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.